Today, we're diving into the latest updates from the Camp Nou construction site. After a short break, we're excited to explore the ongoing developments and see how our beloved stadium is transforming. The weather in Barcelona is holding up for now, so let's make the most of it and dive right into the action. First off, let's check out the big news. The City Council and the club have reached an agreement to extend construction hours. That means the team can now work around the clock on interior tasks, which is fantastic for speeding up progress. As we scan the site, you'll notice that the workers are making significant strides, especially with the new tiered seating and the impressive overhead structures. The Camp Nou is truly taking shape. We're also seeing some notable advancements on the exterior. The concrete pouring and structural framing are progressing rapidly, particularly in the northern and southern sections of the stadium. The construction crews are busy reinforcing the pillars and laying down the foundational elements for the new stands. There's a lot of activity around the site, with cranes lifting beams and workers installing new seating arrangements. Lastly, we've got a closer look at the northern goal area, where excavation and preparation for additional tiers are underway. The workers are making great headway, and it's exciting to see how the new sections are coming together. From the latest updates, it looks like everything is on track for a spectacular finish by the end of the year. That's all for today's update. Make sure to stay tuned for more progress reports. And if you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with another Camp Nou construction update.